Welcome all of you. This is question 3 of our coordinate geometry 1. So now in this question we are told to find the equation of a line perpendicular. This word is very important. To the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0 and passing through a point. So now we have a point through which this line we are looking for passes. We are given a line which is perpendicular to our line, and I want you to note that whenever I have perpendicular lines, if two lines are perpendicular, the gradient of the two lines when multiplied, gradient 1 times gradient 2, we get a negative 1. So this equation here is for a line which is perpendicular to our line. So what we have to note is that this equation is not written as a general form expression, so we need to rearrange it and we identify the gradient. We know that the general equation of a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. But what we have here is 3x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. So I'm going to make y the subject. So I get negative 4y on one side. Then I take 3x the other side. It will be a negative 3x. And then the 2 on the other side, I get negative 2. Divide by negative 4 to get y. We shall get 3 over 4x. Minus 2 divided by minus 4, we get a plus a half. So this is the same equation here, on that I have rearranged it to get the general equation of the line. So if I get this general equation, I can see that my gradient m is 3 over 4. So this is the gradient of the line, which is perpendicular to the line I'm going to find. So since I have the gradient of this line, I can find the gradient of my line, because if you multiply the gradient of my line, let me call my line gradient to be m1, then times the gradient of this line, which is 3 by 4, I should get a negative 1. That is why I told you should note this word perpendicular. So now the gradient of my line will be, if I take 3 over 4 the other side, 4 go up and 3 down, I get negative 4 over 3. So I have the gradient of the line. So since I have the gradient of my line and I have a point 1 and negative 3, so these two can help me to get the equation of the line which is required. From, if we take any point, any general point Q on the line, that is xy, then you have this other point which is given, which is 1 and negative 3. So these 2 points can help me to get the equation of the line I want. So we know that the gradient of the line PQ or QP, I can get y minus 3 changing y over changing x, then x minus 1 equal to negative 4 by 3. So this is y plus 3 over x minus 1 equal to negative 4 over 3. So when I simplify and I make y the subject, I come up with the equation of the line which I'm interested in. So let us cross multiply 3 into this, that is 3 into y plus 3 will be equal to negative 4 into x minus 1. So this is going to be 3y plus 9 equal to negative 4x plus 4. When I get negative 4 times negative 1 is positive. So I will be having 3y equaling to negative 4x plus 4 minus 9. So this is 3y equal to negative 4x then minus 5. I can leave it this way, or I can just bring everything on the left hand side. So this will give me 3y plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0, which is my equation. So this is the equation which is required. 3y plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So the trick in this number was that we are given a perpendicular. You had to know that when you have two perpendicular lines, the product of their gradients give you -1. So once you get that gradient of the line you're looking for at any point, just choose any general point on the line, that is xy, then get a Cartesian equation, that is an equation in form of x and y. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next video, that is video for question 4, Coordinate Geometry 1. I'm teacher James Isaac.